Hey guys, my name is Genesis Santos and I'm just your average filmmaker. Today I will be unboxing the Sony A6600, and I can say a few things about this because I used to have the A6400 and I decided to sell the A6400 just so I could get this camera. And the reason why I picked this up is because I own an A7 III and I also have lenses that could go back and forth between E-mounts, and also the battery compatibility is what sold me. Is I really wanted to just stick between, one battery between two cameras. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what's inside the box. Alright, here we have your brochures. A little bit later I gotta sign up for this warranty here. So here we have Sony adapter, USB adapter for charging is what I'm assuming. You got your battery. I'll go ahead and open that up right now. You have your eyepiece, but I'm not going to put this on the camera itself. You got your USB cord and you've got your neck strap. Here is what we are looking at. It feels good. It feels similar to the A6400. Wow. That is fly. It feels really good in the hand. So I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in right now. Apparently the battery life on this is really great. Let me grab my lens really quick, okay? So here we have this lens. I bought this a while back when I had my A6400. This is the G lens, the 16-55 f-stop 2.8. I really like this lens only because of the lower aperture, and you can shoot in low light. So I'm going to throw this on here. Let's see if it turns on. I'm going to grab one of my charged batteries. Alright, here I have a fully charged Sony battery. So that is the unboxing of this camera. I will go ahead and show you guys the footage that I capture with this specific lens and this camera body. Enjoy.